cockpit. So my question is, who's flying the plane? Because the pilot goes here.
I will.
No.
What do you mean, bro?
Open that door.
What?
Oh my god.
Oh, that's scary.
No.
Look at that.
Wait, there's like, I don't want to sit in that. There's a cliff.
Wait, I kind of want to try it. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh, this is scary, but so cool.
Oh my god.
So terrifying, I'm shaking.
Why can't all planes look like this inside?
This is
Like,
insane.
there's a full-blown bed in the cockpit of the plane.
This plane also comes with your own helipad, so if you wanted to bring your helicopter here, you know.
I always struggle on where I should park my helicopter, so this is perfect.